channel. Today I'm at Gulliver's theme park. Hi friends, I'm at Gulliver's theme park. I'm at the resort right now and I want to show you something special. Isn't this so cute? There's two TVs, there's a bunk beds and there's a little play area here and here. And there's a chalkboard. It looks so cute. I love it. This is my favorite part. Wait. Isn't it so cute? I know you can't see it from the inside, but it's so cute. It's like you live in a tree house, a real tree house. Now here is the middle of the room. There's a seats here. There's a pretty bed. It's so cute. I love the polka dots. And then there is the area where we sit and we can do work. And there's another TV here, a mirror here, and there's another mirror here. And then you have the bathroom, which I'll show. Here is the beautiful paintings, and let me show you the outside view. Isn't it pretty? Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. There is a tub here, and then there is the toilet, and then we have the sink, and the curtains, and the towels. And can you please tell me in the comment section which part of this hotel do you like? Because I love this part. It's so cute and adorable. And that's all for my resort tour. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.